A construction site in Jelutong became the scene of a dramatic rescue Tuesday morning when a fire forced workers to flee for their lives. The incident, first reported by Sinchu Daily, occurred around 8 a.m. on Jalan Tengku at a 29-story building under construction with 161 residential units. The fire reportedly started in the parking area on the first floor, triggering panic as workers scrambled to escape. Some narrowly fled along exterior ledges, while others moved upward to evade the intense flames. 13 foreign workers became trapped on the 6th floor, unable to descend due to the spreading fire. Firefighters, after controlling the blaze, launched a search and rescue operation. The 13 trapped workers were located on the 6th floor, all unharmed and safely evacuated. The cause of the fire remains under investigation as authorities assess whether safety protocols were properly followed.